We just had lunch in the village at Degnan's Deli, and on the second floor is a pizza parlor with pizza and other items there. Stopped at I think it was the Ansel Adams Gallery gift shop. If you're looking for, nicer gifts, handmade things, they have some nice things there. And then I definitely think the visitor center is worth dropping in. Has a lot of the history of Yosemite, and kind of, to me, is sad that the names have been changed from their original historical names. I learned about the school teachers that started Curry Camp. The Ahwahnee was named after the Native Americans that lived in the area, and that's before all the gold rush folks burned their villages and basically took away all their land. Here's the traffic again. This morning we took a walk to Lower Yosemite Falls, which is a really easy walk. We went off the paved path for a little bit and saw a big pile of bear poop. So bear was there, definitely, just don't know where. This morning Craig took the boys on a bike ride around. They got to see some pretty views, and we're just checking out some of the campgrounds now to figure out if any of these would work for our big Class A RV. We've seen a few, so we think we can. We're going to walk towards Upper Pines. This is the Merced River. I think these people are just camping and walk down to the river.
I la putada és que...
So I think that's Vernal and Nevada Falls.
This is also California though, right?
Yeah. We're at Tuolumne Grove. Mariposa Grove is closed right now. And